Hello, I'm DUI defense attorney Mark Rosenfeld. When most people think of DUI, they think driving under the influence of alcohol. But more and more we see people being charged with driving under the influence of drugs. And I want to talk to you a little bit about a client of mine named Ben. With Ben's case, he was stopped at a checkpoint. So there was no bad driving, no swerving, no weaving, no accident or anything like that. But when the police officers walked up to his car and looked in his window, they were able to smell marijuana, and they asked Ben a series of questions about what he had been drinking or whether he had done any drugs. He was honest with the officers, thinking he had nothing to hide, and before he knew it, he was pulled out of the car and they were doing an inventory search of his car, finding vials, pipes, bongs, all sorts of marijuana paraphernalia. They started to do a series of field sobriety tests, walking the line, touching your nose, and after they did what they felt was a complete investigation, they arrested Ben for driving under the influence. Through a very detailed and specific procedure, we were able to break the case down and show the district attorney that this was not a driving under the influence case, that Ben was not impaired for purposes of driving, and they would never be able to prove to a jury that Ben was driving under the influence of alcohol and or drugs or a combination of both. We were able to get the DUI charges dismissed and had no effect on Ben's driving record at all. This took a lot of work, but it's what we've been seeing a lot of lately.